Across America, vaccinations are down 42% since last month. Vaccine orders are being canceled by several states.
1, 2, 3.
While over 110 million Americans are fully immunized, doctors warn it's still not enough to achieve herd immunity. Now the push is on to reach President Joe Biden's summer goal to finally get the pandemic under control.
If we get 70% of the people vaccinated by the 4th of July, namely one single dose, and even more thereafter, you may see blips, but if we handle them well, it is unlikely that you'll see the kind of surge that we saw in the late fall and the early winter.
Despite vaccine hesitancy, America is open for business. 1.7 million airplane passengers flew on Friday, the highest number since the pandemic began. Restaurants and theme parks are back open. Most Major League Baseball stadiums are at full capacity.
Excited to hear the noise.
At this Atlanta Braves game, vaccines were offered to every ticket holder, along with future tickets for those who rolled up their sleeves. Georgia has one of the lowest vaccination rates in the country, but businesses desperate to stay open are offering any incentives they can.
We think that more people who have not yet gotten their vaccine are either fearful or they just don't have time in their lives.
Health experts say the vaccines work, and COVID-19 is still killing and hospitalizing hundreds each day who refuse to get the shots.
We have had not one case of where a person required hospitalization for COVID-19 who's been fully vaccinated.
The federal government is spending $250 million to help community organizations spread information about vaccine safety to increase appointments. Trusted messengers are being used.
It could be sports figures, it could be entertainment figures, it could be clergy, or it could be your family doctor. That's the first thing.
The second goal is accessibility in transportation. The Biden administration says vaccine distribution has been so successful, 90% of Americans now live within 8 kilometers of a vaccination site. Jennifer Johnson, Global News, Washington.